This is why you need AI in your corner. It's like having a 24/7 cheerleader for your success. Artificial intelligence isn't just for sci-fi movies anymore, right? It's here, and it's reshaping how we get motivated. Imagine an AI that knows exactly what pep talk you need right when you need it. Using data from your habits, mood, and even your social media, AI can craft personalized motivational messages. Feeling down? Bam! A message reminding you of past achievements. Procrastinating? Zap! A customized to-do list to get you back on track. And it's not just words. AI-powered apps can suggest the perfect playlist to boost your mood or even recommend breaks to avoid burnout. So next time you're stuck in a rut, remember, your AI buddy has got your back. Success is just an algorithm away. Stay motivated, stay tech-savvy, and let AI light your path to success.